Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. So today I'm going to show you how I make my acrylic nails look so natural. Now I'm very classic and I like natural looking stuff. I mean, yeah, it's fake, but it should look, natural. So this is easy, it's gonna save you some money and it's gonna save you some time. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So to start, I'm gonna clear my nails, and as you can see, I'm filing the surface of my nails. This is gonna help the nails stick better and longer. Now I'm gonna shape my nail a little bit to make it look more natural. Now I'm gonna push my cuticles back a little bit. Then clean it up with a file. Now I'm gonna come in with a dehydrator to get rid of, any oils and, all the dust on my nails. Then I'm gonna get my tip and put on some glue. I'm gonna stick it firmly onto the tips of my nails. Now obviously this is too long and too sharp for me, so I'm just gonna cut it shorter. I mean, this looks like a weapon. So I'm gonna come in with a file again and file the surface of the tip. I'm gonna file the sides too. Then using the dehydrator again, I'm just gonna get rid of the dust. Now I'm gonna get my acrylic powder, and I'm using the Millennium acrylic powder. This is in the color clear. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of the acrylic powder and mix it up with brown acrylic powder. I'm gonna use just a little bit. Now as you know, I want the natural look, so I'm just gonna tint it a little bit. So this is gonna give me the perfect color I want. Now this is also very important. I'm gonna mix everything up. I'll mix it evenly. So now I'm gonna get my acrylic brush and liquid and start applying it onto my nails. As you can see, I do a little bit at a time. Okay, so I'm done now, and I'm gonna come in with a file. I'll file the sides and the surface to give it that even look. Afterwards, I'm gonna clean it up and get rid of the excess powder. Then finally, I'm gonna come in with my gel look top coat. I'm just gonna give it one coat here. So ladies and gentlemen, we are done, and as you can see, they look so natural. You wouldn't even think it's acrylic nails. It looks like my natural nails. This is how my natural nails look like when it's grown out. Okay guys, so this is it, and I hope you liked it. If you've not subscribed to this beautiful channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.